7 ways to get viral a video on YouTube really fast. After Google, YouTube is the site and users visit the most. It is the popular is for making a video platform. You must have heard about YouTube viral videos and how they benefit the specific channel, right? Will the best thing is you can get your YouTube video viral to the become famous on the internet. Create a unique video, play on emotions, reach out to similar brands, find your target audience, find the right keywords, product quality content, utilize your social platform, create a unique video. While creating a video that will go viral, you need to think outside this box. You must have noticed that only one video goes viral and more people start repeating the trend. So making some things unique is the first step to e- reach your milestones. Unique content not only means a new theme and topic, but also high quality content. Boring and bland content never goes viral. If you are a marketer, so sometimes innovates and experiment that it on your channel, maybe it go viral, but if not, does not, do not lose hope. You have hundred of chances to stand out, and one no one know that it's your lucky day. Play on emotions. Almost all the viral YouTube videos also post an emotion connection with the viewer, whether it is sad, happy, motivation, etc. That is why adding emotion to your YouTube videos to get great ways to reach out to a new audience. It is also getting your more YouTube subscribers and views on your previous videos. The keyword is adding emotions to your content and storytelling. When people feel like your video is representing their emotion, they will share it with their family and friends. Suppose you are a brand that sell feminine product, then creating content and empower women and make them feel valuable is a good marketing stra- strategy. If you want to engage in any content, then be extreme carefully because it can seriously hurt your brand image. Reach out to similar brands. And another ways to make your video viral is to reach out to similar brands that are already having a large following and tell them about your video.